Hello guys, this is Fractal R6 case. EK water cooling, custom cooling, Crosshair 8 formula motherboard, 5800X processor, 32 gigabyte of G skill at 3600 megahertz, RAMs, RTX 3090 Strix GPU. I have a Distroplate in it. I have 360 rad on the top, 240 rad on the bottom. I have 8 fans altogether in it. 140 times 2 fans in the front and 6 times 120 millimeter fans. I have 4 fans intake and 4 fans outtake. This is what she looks like from the front and the back of it. This is what she looks like. This is the breather. I have the drain plug right here. I have 2 controllers in it. I have 1 fan splitter and I have a Pro commander in it. This is what she looks like. First time ever built PC as a liquid cooled. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.